Hey there. Ever told yourself you'd start working out, eat healthier, or spend more time with family only to fall short? It's frustrating, right? Each time that we don't follow through, our subconscious starts to lose trust in ourselves. But what if I told you there's a way to flip the script and rebuild that trust in ourselves, that relationship with ourselves? Let's dive into three secrets to keeping promises to yourself and transforming your life. Secret number one is you want to start small but win big. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson didn't become disciplined overnight. Early in his career, he promised himself to work out daily, even if it was just for 10 minutes. That small promise evolved into relentless routine that he's known for today. So the secret is start with tiny, winnable goals that rewires your brain. When you achieve a small goal, like a 10-minute walk or reading 2 pages of a book, you prove to yourself that you can follow through, and that will give your brain dopamine. So, secret number two is reward yourself for every win. Celebrating every small win, no matter how insignificant it may seem, it releases feel good chemicals to your brain that makes you crave more of that behavior. Here's how you could reward yourself. Praise yourself. Say out loud, great job, you did it. Give yourself a treat. Maybe it's a piece of a chocolate or 10 minutes of guilt free scrolling on your phone. And you want to mark your progress. Use a journal or an app to track your streak of wins and watch that streak grow. It's addictive. Secret number three, slowly scale up. Once you build consistency with your small goals, it's time to stretch yourself. Scaling up is where real transformation happens. Here's how. You want to increase your efforts gradually. If you've been doing 10-minute workouts, now you can, push yourself to increase it to 15 minutes. You want to expand your goals, right? Instead of just reading 2 pages, maybe that you've come accustomed to with your new habit, now try 4. Save more. You consistently got to a point where you're now saving $10 a week. Now go for 15. The key is to push yourself slightly beyond your comfort zone. Not too much, not too little, but just enough to keep growing. By stepping into bigger goals at your own pace, you're not just achieving more, you're becoming someone who naturally strives for excellence. So if you're ready to transform your life, start today by making one tiny promise to yourself and keep it. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about consistency. And hey, if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more life changing secrets. Let's transform together. Talk soon.